How to call GCash customer service. If you're facing any issue with GCash and you want to directly call with the customer service, then you want to open up any web browser. Now search for GCash customer service. Click on this link, which is call our hotline, or you can also head over to help.gcash.com. Now you have different options over here. If you want to chat with the customer support, you can tap on chat with GG option. Now you can simply type in your issue over here, but if you want to directly call with the customer support, then you can call their hotline number. Remember that the hotline is available daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. with 24/7 assistance for urgent security concerns like scam, fraud, lost or stolen phones, and unauthorized transaction. As you can see, you have the Globe and TM toll-free number over here. For that, you can dial 2882. For other networks, you can contact this number given over here. You need to note that toll charges may apply when you contact them. And this is how you can call GCash customer support. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.